So first I'm going to rinse and cut my already washed kpomo. After that, I'll be washing and grinding my fresh pepper. So after washing and grinding my fresh pepper, I'm just going to wash and slice my onions. Now after prepping all your ingredients, we'll move to the main business. Get your pan, put your pan on fire and add oil to the pan. Once the pan is hot, you're going to add your onions and allow the onions fry a bit. Now, after allowing the onions fry for a while, you're going to go in with your fresh pepper. Since it is peppered ponmo, you're going to add as many pepper as you can, but be sure to add the amount of pepper you can actually eat. So it's peppered ponmo, so it is going to be super spicy. Now after adding all your pepper, you're just going to keep stirring and allow it to fry. After allowing it fry for like 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to go in with your salt, then you're going to add your seasoning cubes, then you can as well add your thyme. Any other ingredients you want to add, you can as well add them. So after adding all those ingredients together, next I'm going to go in with my kpomo. So this is a very easy and simple method. You can try it. Please do not forget to also let us know how you make your own peppered ponmo in the comment section, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe if you've not. Thank you. If you still feel like adding more things to make it look colorful or presentable, you can go in with your green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, or any other thing you want to add to it. Well, since I'll be the one eating all this alone, I'm going to be adding carrots and the back of cucumber to it. So be sure to allow the pomo or cow skin sit on fire on low heat for as long as possible, so that when it comes out, the pomo or cow skin will be very pepperish. Be sure to allow it soak very well in that pepper. So now we are done with our peppered pomo, and this is the result. I hope you like it. Anyways, this is the most simple and easy method you would find anywhere. So you're welcome. Have an amazing day. Thanks for watching.